As a functional user, visual dashboards would be used as a home page or a start page. I have my personal menu over here on the left for the things that I do most often or need to get quick links to, whether it's certain activities or reports. And my dashboards for a user are very easy to create and personalize for the user's functions. I have mine set for administrative functions, so I'm looking at different areas of the system, from sales and AR to purchasing and AP, and I have some production information in the middle. And what you're seeing is a mix of just standard charts and detail grids. The charts that you're looking at, that you choose, all have detail grids behind them. So if I was to simply choose and click on any one of these bars, it'll show me the detail that's making up that particular analytic. The detail grid is also just a grid that comes from a chart if I wanted to. So I could have just put a chart here and then clicked into it and gotten to the same detail. There's some information that I like to look at in grid view versus a chart view. Adding charts or detail grids is very simple. Visual has pre-defined charts and grids that I can simply come up here and add. I can use a system analytic, which is one that's already pre-built, or analytics that you don't have available to you here that you do want. You can actually create your own and customize a detail grid or analytic. So I'm just going to say OK, and then I just choose from my list what I want to see. I'm going to choose my estimated versus projected. I can set some filter criteria on how I like to see that, choose the different statuses that I want to see on it, and just say OK. And then I can place this wherever I want and resize other analytics to fit this one in. But the nice thing about it is I can see from a holistic standpoint what my estimated versus projected costs are running through my shop. So I can see my projected costs are higher than my estimated. This isn't actually too bad, but if I saw a big difference, that would cause me some concern and want me to drill in. And again, I could just click on this, and what this is showing is really the same grid that we're looking at over here. I just chose to put the grid view on there instead of the chart. Same thing with if I wanted to add just a detail grid. It's the same process, but now I would add a detail as opposed to the chart. So very easy for any user to create those out-of-the-box analytics and put them on their screen to use. They can be updated live, so as data changes live in the database, you would see your updates here with a simple refresh. Just as well, you can set it on a timer. If you only want this to refresh maybe once a day or every hour, however you want that, it could run on a scheduled time. You can save many different dashboards. So you can create a dashboard that everybody can see and save it to all users, or you can create the dashboard just for you. But you can choose from multiple dashboards if you wanted to. Maybe you had several analytics that you like to look at, and instead of trying to put it all on a single screen, you can create several dashboards on multiple screens and use it that way. But dashboards are a great homepage, great way to analyze what's going on in your particular area and drill into the data from that. And as you can see from these detail grids, I can then drill directly into the source behind those records.